So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to search up stocks here on Yahoo Finance. So once you have the Yahoo Finance app open up on your device, what I want you to do is to either go to the bottom left to go to the home screen, then go to the top search bar right here. And for example, if you're looking for a specific stock, so we'll just search up Amazon, for example, I'll search up Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. Amazon is right here. Another way you can do it as well, perhaps if you don't know what stock you're looking for, you can just go to the Discover screen at the bottom. So go to the bottom bar, press on the Discover tab in the middle, then you can discover different stocks right here. So go to Equity on the far left-hand side, and then you can view trending equities, most actives, day gainers and losers, whatever the case may be. You can also just go to the top right, press on the search icon, and search up the exact same thing as well. Also, too, you can scroll down and view popular stocks today, popular equities today, whatever the case may be. It's fairly straightforward. So I hope this video helps you guys search up stocks here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.